I don't need to fiddle around with the button later, so I'll do the quiet. We're waiting.
Patient.
There goes the trunk and the door. Trav, go up there. Trav, go up to the end of the counter. Just there. Waiting for your sister.
Don't say anything.
Trav, stay there. Tanya's calling Riley.
Hello, Tanya. Hello, Trav.
Hello, Tanya.
Where's Riley? Hi, Riley.
What's your father doing?
Looking up something. Yeah, getting himself a beer for the hot tub.
Is he? Oh, you guys already decided you're going in the hot tub?
Yeah, it's freezing.
I know. What do you think?
Hi, Riley. Sorry, Trav.
It's okay.
Hello.
Hi, guys.
Come here.
I wasn't ready. We didn't know.
Well,
I'm good. Oh, man. Wow. I just put my stuff
Just
down.
throw it on the couch.
Yeah.
Well, that was that.